Hi everybody, my name is Anthony Wong. Unfortunately, my partner Helen Chong can't be here today, so I'll be the one giving you a tour of our newest listing in San Jose, right here on 863 Ironwood Drive, located in Willow Glen. This home is 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and just over 700 square feet on a 6,000 square foot lot. So let's go inside and take a look. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and again, my name is Anthony Wong with Hailing Group. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a message or shoot me a call. You can also reach out to Helen Chong as well, and our contact information will be displayed right after this.